Oh. Y'all see what that blue pill do to you? Do you see what the blue pill will do to you? All it takes is some awareness, bro. Do you see what will happen if you go down the path that society tells you to go down? This man said that he loved this woman with all his heart. And he gets down on one knees for this woman that appears to be a 6'5" to me. He gets embarrassed in front of the world for a 5. All because society told him that he should give his all to her, that he should cherish her, he should love and protect her, love her unconditionally. He gets embarrassed because he listens to society. He follows the norms. I'm willing to bet this guy will take the red pill very soon if he has not already. This is just one example of how trauma will bring you to taking the red pill. That man will be cold. That man will be cold from here on out. Now, if he would have took the red pill, he wouldn't even have done all that shit. You ain't gonna do all that shit when you red pill aware. That shit is not that. That's not necessary. All that shit's not necessary. He got embarrassed. Embarrassed. That woman wasn't. That man. That dude was. He was like, bro. He was. You know what I'm saying? He had a little. You know what I'm saying? Physical. He was physically fit. You know what I'm saying? Like, straight dude, bro. You know what I'm saying? Getting embarrassed. All because he listening to what society's saying. When you take that red pill, you gonna understand these women do not love you unconditionally, bro. When they say they love you, they love who you are, who you're being in that moment. They love you at that moment. Women live in the moment. Hey, man, y'all like the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe to the video, bro. You know, smooth season, bro, man. Shit's ridiculous, bro.